Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add projects in LinkedIn. So open your LinkedIn account, then go for your profile. Okay, wait for it. And now go for add profile section. Then go for recommended and you can see here add projects. Click on it and you have to type here your project name. So okay, now you can add description whatever you want and add skills. So I will add some skills here. Okay, okay, then you can go for add media on your computer and add links from anywhere, and you can go for if you are currently working on this project, then check it and select starting date. Okay, then you can add contributors and select association. Okay, then at last go for save. So you can also post it or otherwise just keep it. So it's done. So guys, this is how you can add projects in LinkedIn. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.